So airSlate is designed to be integrated with other apps to help you automate your workflows. And one of the most common questions that our airSlate sales team gets is, what do these airSlate integrations look like? What types of integrations does airSlate have and what are they used for? And I thought, Harry, since you're an airSlate solution architect, you might be a good guy to help clear some of this stuff up.
Yeah, that's a good question. So, I mean, airSlate has over 150 unique bots. Those are really what we call our no-code configurable integrations. And the point of airSlate is to plug into your existing system landscape in order to utilize the data and systems you already have in place. So try and be non-invasive into your what you already have that's working for your business. And with those airSlate integration bots, you can take your document forward processes and insert data from separate systems, as well as route documents and their data back to systems of records, along with a lot of cool other things like send Slack integration, Slack notifications, or Teams. Really, it depends on what systems you already have in place. Are you a G Suite Office? Are you a Microsoft Office? We have bots to help you take your workflows and get into your own systems.
Cool. Give me an example of one of the most popular or most useful airSlate integrations that we have.
One of our most popular and powerful integrations is our native integration with Salesforce. So we actually have an App Exchange app where airSlate is installed within your Salesforce organization. And with our library of Salesforce bots, our customers are able to optimize their document workflows, whether it's for order processing or in sales, take the data from those documents, update the underlying documents themselves, and actually get that information back to Salesforce. So with a couple of clicks in Salesforce, it's easy to set up a custom button, say on a contact record, that's tied to a flow within airSlate that can take that information, and as well as take the information that maybe you're collecting from a contact or sales lead and insert it back into that Salesforce record. So it's pretty powerful. It's actually more than just adding fillable fields to the PDF and routing the data as well. airSlate includes a document generation module where you can take data from Salesforce, make decisions on that data, and generate an underlying document before turning it into a PDF that will be signed. So very powerful and very flexible.
Cool. Could you share a story? Do you have any specific examples of maybe how a customer is using our integration with Salesforce?
Yeah, one customer I was recently working with was struggling with getting their NDAs for potential clients signed. They had the data in their Salesforce, but the operations team was responsible for taking that data, creating a document, emailing that document out to their potential client, hoping they had a printer or some way to digitally sign it. And when that document came back, they actually had to update not only the Salesforce record, but they wanted to keep these all in Google Drive as well. So with airSlate, after a couple of sessions, we were able to create a flow that included their NDA template, tie it to their leads record in Salesforce, populate that NDA template with the information about the lead and their related records, and automatically get that NDA out to the client using the Salesforce email as well. And the client would receive that email, get it digitally signed. We set it up so those documents would be archived against the Salesforce lead record, as well as pushed to the Google Drive where they had all their NDAs in one place. And after a few sessions over the course of a week, we had a live flow and they were ready to get into production.
Awesome. Thanks for explaining that. I think that kind of clears things up a little bit. If anybody watching this has any other questions, of course, drop them in the comments and we'll answer them next time. But thanks, Harry.
Sure thing. Happy to catch up.
Great. See ya.